Hi guys, so we are now here in the waiting area here in Copenhagen, going to Doha. See you guys later. Oh, kaya ngumgay na ako, di man ni nunoy. Nabigla ko baka ko di man mausulob nunoy. Kaya ka naka-smile naman ko, niingon ako na. We're still waiting. Right now we are in Copenhagen, going to Doha, Qatar.
I just need the body part. One last time. Follow it. I would say maybe 4 to 8.
Kita okay sila.
Ito lihat dito eh.
Hindi sila magduwa? Sleeper.
Oh.
Ato nang gamiton.
Oh, mana dadong dai.
Pwede sa nato dadon.
Hi, Lola. Hi.
Oh, they have 3 sleeper for us.
Miss Satan.
And extra pillows.
Yeah, and, because this is called the family room, and then extra pillows here.
And then we have a complimentary water.
Water day oh, tanawa.
No.
Narami sa sud sa
They have also
shopping mall sa duty free.
Sugat, anak ko sugat. Okay.
if you have something.
Oh. Nawa.
Okay, they also have a safe box
Safe box.
or safe deposit box. And they also have what? Okay, iron.
Iron.
And also some bathrobe.
Among kwarto. Ako kayo. Tulong isa sa kwarto oh. Kami ni Auntie mo, nag-usa lang ni.
Hello.
Guys, let me show you the
Kami istorya ni.
restroom. Look at that. I am so happy that I was, I chose this hotel. I choose this hotel just inside the airport, guys. Look. So this is where the toilet. But unfortunately, oh, there's bidet. So there is sink, his and hers. And here is the shower room. Since we are 3, this is a family room. So there is 3 towels. Look at that. So this hotel, guys, this is our first time here. And luckily, I think I choose the right hotel just inside in Doha.
Hi. Hello.
So guys, we're so hungry and now we are going to dine in here in Harrods, here in Doha. We are waiting for our order. Look guys. Okay.
Nasa na siya ka ng mga libro.
So this is our room here in Doha International Airport, Hamad. This hotel called Auric Airport Hotel. So we book a family room for a night. Well, actually, just for 11 hours stay. This is my room. And let me show you outside, guys. This is actually inside the airport. So down there is the shopping mall. Look. So guys, we went down at the mall and we did some shopping. I bought this Celine and my sister bought some Fendi sunglasses.
Hindi ko ano sa sinunod.
Abasin.
Ito Christmas light ni.
Oh.
Kanedi mo ginawa sa tuwa kay dagang masakyan ang tripod.
Tagan tao sa doy.
Tao
Karsada gagmay.
sa gagmay.
Correct.
Pero itong laing lugar na kasada dagko gagmay ng tao. Dire
Yan, nakasakyan na na.
gagmay ang mga tao pero tagaan. Ay kadagaan na nagmotor wala man insurance.
Oh.
Facebook na yun, may daganan doon.
Ayun. Ini amount sine listen sa akong Gcash.
Oh. Daganan kang GCash number.
Ini amount kuno big help na, you know.
Ang may gastos kuryente kaya adlaw sigawan. Amo sagap lag power.
Niya ug adlaw pod di mo ko na maniga.
Mao
Amaw ba? So, kung andyan ka ng
tira.
makuhan ang energy. Hapit matapot, sis.
Alright, welcome back to Radisson.
Thank you. Good evening. So, welcome back to Cebu.
Murag dirito nang tuog ang mga kuwan no. Stewardess no.
Oh, na yung mga stewardess diri nga naka
check-in.
Oo.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, last time ni doon naman sa katong diri ko nag-check-in naaman sa mga stewardess.
Kanay sila.
Ano, pa sila Christmas light.
Sa mga po, 10:15. Hello.
Hi, Noy.
Hi.
So guys, we are now here at Radisson Blu. We're having dinner. We're going to enjoy our dinner. Bye. See you. Mwah. Kaway kaway. Kaway kaway. Good evening everyone. So we finished our dinner and now we are having some tea. Look. That is my sister and her husband and me. Undang na dito. Siya may director karon. Hello everyone. Good morning. First day here in Cebu. We are going to have some breakfast. Good morning, Cebu.
Dagko na siya kanukos no.
Oh.
Ano ni ko ako assist? Para
Tulo. Ah, inuhang.
tungkol ba?
Oo. Naman, kaya ay batarban na ko YouTube na ko. Asa ini doon eh, tie-dye. We're having breakfast here in Radisson Blu with my cousin. Nag-surprise na ko.
Pero hindi na pwede operahan kay
Hi everyone, good morning. This is our third day here in Cebu. Shout out to all my subscribers. It's a beautiful day today and we're going to have we're invited to have lunch to our friend's house.
sa dua ka lublak mo tatong. Kay magsulit mo dis ubos. Na magsulit ko diha para tubig, may tubig rin. Tabangka dis yung pa.
Hi Jim. Hi.
O sa balik.
Oh. Sa akong YouTube.
Kuan na lang ya. Suryahan lang ako. Del.
Oh, sige.
Ang sambag ni Day. Taasa na sambag no. Oo. Sa unang panahon, kuan, pero murag wala pa siya mamunga, no? Sa bagay, oh. Pero ni taas siya maayo, no? Hi, Mars! Maayo naman, ikaw. Ay, pag inang-losyang, usaman, kuan ka na lang. Si pangalan ni, bisag idara na ta. Kinahanglan, kuan pa ta kayo sa labi na yung mga bana.
Hindi ka na ka lang mag-arte-arte, like ikaw ganahan yun lang ako.
Maujud.
Anak ko is buroon.
Basta happy.
Maunod. Tante, may glawas bagad mo.
Oh. Ay, basta.
Ito kasi natumba.
Uy, kanindot sa kanang kuan sa mga langgam.